Hey, you know what grinds my gears? What grinds my gears is when people, I'm going to say women, because, okay, I go there. When they are in a meeting or they do these videos or they go on these panels and they're speaking with such authority and such, righteous indignation, yet in the background, you hear their smoke alarm chirping. What? I know it seems like a little bitty thing, but for everything, okay, something as important as changing the battery in your smoke detector, you can't do that, which could save your life. But you on a panel, you in a meeting, you don't need no man, you don't want no man, but you can't change a damn battery in a smoke detector? I just saw a video today, this woman put on makeup, her face is just beat, but you hear the chirping in the background. When I hear a chirp, I'm walking all through my house. I can't stand it. To change it. Get out of here.